Hi everyone, my name is Babur. I am a developer advocate. Today I am going to show you how to bulk import your APIs to Apache APISIX by using its user-friendly dashboard. With that, let's get started. Now we can jump into a demo session of Apache APISIX Dashboard, the import functionality, where you can import a bunch of API roles with import functionality. Now, first thing is we need to go to APISIX Docker repo. We need to fork this project or clone this project to open the source code on our local machine. If you look at the example folder on the APISIX Docker repo, there is an example Docker compose file where you can bring the APISIX dashboard on all the necessary components to experiment APISIX with the Docker. Next, you can open the project in your favorite editor, and we need to now run these Docker containers. In order to do that, I can jump into the terminal and do docker compose up. Docker compose up, it will initiate some containers for us, including the dashboard. As you can see, I'm using Windows machine and Docker desktop installed on it, and I can see some of the APISIX containers, example containers are open and running, and in our case APISIX dashboard as well. And if you navigate the browser from the Docker, as you can see, the dashboard itself up and running on the local host 9000. Logging to the APISIX dashboard with the default credentials. It is as admin for login and admin for password. Of course, you can always update these default credentials in APISIX dashboard config file. And then, as you can see, dashboard we have now, we need to go to the route page where you can create some routes, you can manage them. I can add routes for my APIs manually one by one by pushing this create button that opens another page to create new route page, or the simplest way where you have thousands of APIs, you can import them easily with advanced option. You can click the tab advanced and choose the import option, because you can see here, so you can do some of the operations. You can choose a data load type. In our case, now APISIX dashboard supports only OpenAPI specification of short version, and then there is an upload button where you can upload a JSON or a YAML files. For this demo case, I prepared a sample OpenAPI specification where you can see the demo conference API with some passes. You can see even what kind of passes we have for this conference API in the Swagger editor. By navigating the Swagger editor, and we can now, for example, copy all the content, the sample APIs, and put it here. As you can see, this conference API has some the routes or API passes, like for topics, where you can also retrieve the speaker list or the session, etc. So it means we have not only one passes, we have multiple passes. So now the task is to bring these passes import using the dashboard. I can jump into the dashboard and click to upload button, and I can choose this sample OpenAPI file. And of course, we need to provide the task for this import. I can call it conference, since it's conference API, and click submit, and immediately you can see the import successful message. Our backend API passes now converted to routes from OpenAPI specification when we upload this file with a bunch of passes, but they are not published yet. Before you publish, for example, you can also configure each individual the route if you need additional information. Otherwise, you can come back and publish each the conference, the passes one by one by reviewing each. Or also you can see the route configuration in raw data editor. It looks like this in JSON, like we are creating URIs, call it, let's say, slash sessions, and that is HTTP GET endpoint, and we have a single upstream ID. As you can see, the APISIX also created one single upstream when we imported our several routes. But here also you can add your upstreams to match your routes later on the later stages. Now another functionality, in addition to this importing, you can also choose one or more routes to export back to OpenAPI specification. To do so, I can just choose which routes I want to export to OpenAPI specification and click the button of OpenAPI specification. In the pop-up menu, you can also choose in which format you would like to export these routes, in JSON or YAML. I'm just confirming I want it in JSON, and then here we go. The routes configuration exported as OpenAPI specification back to you. Here we go. It's how it looks like this, and also it means you can reuse this routes configuration for another feature that this dashboard has, especially in the version of 2.15. You can choose the items or the list of routes, and you can also delete these routes instead of removing these routes individually. In case you have more than 1,000 routes and it's difficult to find, you can also use a search bar to find out the routes, let's say by pass name. If I want the speaker routes that match the speaker pass, I can just search for it. As you can see, it filters out all the speaker related passes. As you can see, the dashboard, the importing feature, it simplifies lots of work you do when you imagine that the same process you are doing against admin API by using CLI. Dashboard is quite comfortable with a user-friendly UI. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about Apache APISIX, please subscribe to our channels, click on the bell to receive notifications about the new videos.